Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. Let's have a look at Bitcoin on the higher time frame. First of all, what we guys can easily see over here is that the Bitcoin is just retracing back from the resistance, a normal resistance, even a newbie can draw over here. And we guys can see that basically what here happened was some of the rangings that worked pretty perfectly. Like we had a deviation from the downside here and then went back to touch the upside. A normal trader can say that these were the two targets to the upside, and both of those got executed. Now, what we guys can see on the weekly time frame is simple that Bitcoin is ranging back towards the equilibrium level, EQ level, that lies something around 21.4k. That's very important. One of the major level 21.4k, as well as we have a daily order block over there too. So let's have a look at the next FVG. We have a FVG around 26.6k towards 29k. So probably touching back these levels too. So in my opinion, we if you see good daily upside momentum over here, we can still have some another push to the upside toward these levels. So let's have a look on the daily time frame. The daily time frame also says same as the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, what we guys can see very easily is that we are still making higher low. Look at this, higher low, higher low, higher low, and we might have something like same like what happened over here. Look at this. This is your basically 5% drawdown. This is your 4.57% drawdown. If you include this wick, this is same as 5% drawdown. So basically, I want to see some rangings over here on the lower time frame, like what happened over here. The reason is pretty simple that this will basically give us a clear indication of what's actually going to happen, because the first victory downside was actually taken liquidity from below this wick and started moving back to the upside. Same what I'm thinking right now on the higher time frame. Still, if the daily holds, this might give you another push to the upside. In case 21.4k breaks down, we're gonna move back to the 18.7k zone where we have these supports, these major supports. So this is the plan right now. Let's move on to the Ethereum. On the Ethereum, what we guys can easily see over here is that basically a very simple and a clear wedge ongoing. We just make, I guess we just made it for fun, yeah, and this is pretty working pretty perfectly. So let's have a look what's actually happening through the rangings. We basically are still this is basically a compressed price action. This is basically a compressed price action where the higher low and the higher high both are being compressed. This one something like this, and then either breakout and breakout long over here. No, sorry, let me just set it up. How we basically trade these. Breakout, everyone gonna long over here and fuck. So these are some of the things that actually happen on the charts these days. On the daily time frame, what we guys can actually see clearly is that the Bitcoin has taken the liquidity from the upside over here, and it might basically just fill up this FPG that looks pretty well. Let me remove drawing and make the FPG pretty clear. Starting from here till here, something like this, yeah. A very big FEG from where the price can basically move back up, but I think so because our daily demand lies a bit lower. Our daily demand lies something around here, yeah. Daily demand or the order block lies something like, might have another move to here and then to the backside to the towards the upside. So this is kind of plan if this holds. Otherwise, if this breaks down from here, we're gonna look at some of the major levels like these ones. Not exactly this one, but kind of this one, kind of this one, yeah, where we have the major levels. Like look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. So these are the plans on most of the alts. Honestly, what I want to see uh, if these are going to play out. So let's move on to some of the alts. One of the major alt I'm still looking at from days and weeks, and I want to I want to see this alt going to the higher side, to the upside. To be very honest, what I think so is going to happen is, yeah, on the chart. Obviously, I don't want to change something. Might be something like this. I'd be taking out these previous order block lows in a week. So this is the plan on the daily time frame. Look at this. This is pretty simple. Pretty simple. To be very honest, I think so. Atom has the power to do something in the March, in the end of the March, maybe. Yeah, something like that. And Atom BTC, what we guys can clearly see over here is that Atom BTC have already higher low, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this lower high is already broken. So I think so something around this zone or the order block here might give another big push to the upside. So this is a plan right now, and this is not a basically just have a look at more cleaner way. So yeah, kind of equal highs. So yeah, we have liquidity above these equal highs as well. So Atom is the alt that I think so can do wonders in the coming weeks. Same like Phil did in the previous month, yeah, in the February. So Atom can do something like that. So keep your eyes on Atom and buy everything that comes below $11 or around $11. Anything below $11.8 or where it already wicked down 11 point. Everything below, everything within this order block is for buying, right? Everything within this order block is for buying. Even if this wicks to the downside and reclaims back, this one is again for buying. We got some good FVGs on the downside too, something around 11 to $10. So probably everything is for buying on Atom for the coming weeks. If you want to buy for the midterm, this is the best choice. This is the best choice. So let's move on to some other alts like LTC. This might do something good in the coming days. Yeah, let me have a look on LTC USD. Sorry, maybe I had a chart on the perpetual. Yeah. Let's have a look at what's actually happening on the daily time frame. This is pretty simple. A reclaim back, some rangings over here, buy over here, sell over here. Simple. It's your straight 30%, I guess. Yeah, kind of 30%. Yeah, if you start from here where currently Litecoin is, if you start from here, that's your clear 30%. So this is kind of good trade if you guys want to get in. LTC, look for lower time frame reversals, get into your trades, and coins like these who have those coins that have taken the liquidity from downside might again take liquidity from downside and go back towards new highs. So some of the alts that I focus are Atom, LTC, LDO. Why LDO? LDO still showing a lot of oh my goodness. I remember my older chart. I was basically thinking of LDO to enter over here but missed because we did not sweep the previous lows over here. So let's have a look at LDO. What's actually happening over here is that basically we want to see a sweep of these lows, sweep of these, enter again, might take out these highs. So these are the plans for the alts, like those who are performing well than the other coins. Let's have a look on Matic. Matic have already broken the trend. So yeah, if the daily closes below the previous day close or below the previous day wick, probably it might go a lot lower than expected. Phil, we entered over here at 4.7. That was same setup, like the current setup of LTC, the current setup of Atom. Yeah, this was something same setup, like a reclaim. We entered over here, targeting 8.5, 9.5, took profits over here. Was one of the perfect trade we have had. Some of the other alts are Corti might be looking again to buy something like around this zone, the FEG. Look at this. I'm just pointing out some of the major alts that have good structure, right? That have good structure. I'm just pointing out some of those major alts. The alts I'm personally buying and I will share in the group as well are Atom, uh, Atom as well as LTC as well as I guess I just made chart yesterday on that. I don't remember the name because I had charts on more than 20 coins. AVEX. Yeah, I had chart on this one. I just shared this yesterday or the day before yesterday in the group. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. If we get a pullback towards, I have my alert set on this one. If we get a pullback towards $13, that will be a nasty three tap as well as deviation already done. Buying here, selling over $20. That's also $30. That's one of the major trade if this goes as per the plan. So these are the plans right now on the most of the alts, and still thinking same. Dot, I'm not interested. Link, I'm interested, but I still want to see another drawdown. To be honest, another drawdown, something like this. Yeah, I want to see this. Might take a bit of more time, but we will trade as per the plan because the link does not look pretty solid on this whole ranging time. The volume was decreasing, and this is what I'm thinking, to be honest. So nothing bad in holding the trade, but nothing bad in waiting to get into a good trade. So this was a slide trade about some of the alts. And Dodge does not think so. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, it does not look so good. I think so still it can take out these lows. Yeah, it can take out these lows and do something like this. Simple reasoning. We have FEG over here as well as can't see any proper buying momentum. Everything that goes up comes back down. We already had breakdown, so anything on the high time frame push up for the Dodge is for shorting. So this is a plan. Also shitcoin index is something same. Shitcoin index, yeah, indices, not in the indices. Shitcoin. Where's the index? Shitbit. Maybe I was having that in favorites, but maybe I missed that. Bitcoin index. Why I can't find that? Just give me a second. I had in my important watch list. Why am I trading views laggy? Bitcoin index. Yeah, I had this. So to be honest, I just saw this yesterday. I was just looking at some of the alts in the shitcoin index that might perform well, but saw that if the shitcoin index does not breaks out from these levels of the like these highs, because why these highs? Because we have ranging of something like this, right? We already had deviated from downside. We are deviated from downside. If this closes back below this 0.5 level, same as Dodge closes below the yesterday's lows, we might see a big drawdown. So equilibrium level, I'm basically trading that, and look at this high swift. These are not your MSP or the coach. These are basically your SFP, swing failure patterns or the deviations. So this was the update for some of the major alts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as shitcoins. So we will be having another update in the coming days. That's enough for today, I guess. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day.